Blue Monster Sealant Tape. Have you heard of it? Pretty interesting. Basically got a big picture of a blue monster on it. And it's thread tape. Basically it's that plastic tape, you know, you put on a pipe. Just like this stuff here. And it keeps your pipes from leaking. I've seen a lot of reviews on it and I thought, well, I'm going to check this out. Now this stuff here you buy, it's super cheap. It's like, I don't know, really cheap. See how that crumbles all up and ties up? It's really thin. Well, the Blue Monster thread tape is better. I mean, look at this stuff. Okay. Now I'm going to roll this up, or at least try, and then watch what happens. How it comes apart and how you can actually play with it better than that cheap stuff. This stuff is amazing. It really is. I had to re-thread. I had to do some pipes in my bathroom. And I had to put this pipe thread, this Blue Monster, on a on my faucet. And I couldn't believe how easy it went on. And you truly don't need the real wide stuff. This stuff here I have is 1/2 inch. I'll even have a link at the bottom if you want to go pick it up. But if you're doing any form of plumbing in your house or anything whatsoever, go pick this up. I mean, it blows this stuff out of the water instead of fumbling with this stuff. It really is. I mean, I wish I would have had this a long time ago. Blue Monster thread tape. Probably the best thread tape you're ever going to use. It's made in China, but it's a lot thicker than this stuff here, like I said, and much easier to work with. And I can't even, you know, I can't even clean that up or anything once it does that. I have to cut it and start all over when I wrap the pipe, right? But with this Blue Monster thread tape, I mean, literally you get it the first time, and it's going to save you time, it's going to save you frustration. It's amazing. And how cheap this is? Go pick it up. Throw it in your toolbox, have it there. You're going to have to do a pipe someday. And not having it, you're going to really be cursing. This is one of those must tools to have in a toolbox for sure, especially if a pipe breaks in the wintertime and it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you need to thread it and you got to wait till the store's open, where this you can get underneath there with a light right away and fix the problem. Anyhow, links in the bottom if you want to pick yourself up some Blue Monster PTFE thread tape. I think it's amazing. Catch you guys.